Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you tips to water several plants at once in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. For example, I'm going to water my crops, and if you want to water some crops at once, we're going to do this trick. Wait, let me equip my watering can. Okay, and usually if you want to water crops, we can click on this watering can icon. And if you want to water crops at once, you can tap and hold on the water icon. And it will be like this. You will be able to water several crops at once. Oops, sorry. Tap and hold. And yeah, just like this, guys. Tap and hold. Okay guys, and that's how you can water some crops or some flowers at once using the watering can in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye!